Hello everyone, my name is Ramon Escalera and I want to appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Number one. Number two, I'm just sharing information from what I've been doing, the programs that I've been investing in, etc. So again, do your due diligence before you join any company. I've done mine and I love the results so far. This is an amazing company. Again, these are my mining uh, payments to me, as you can see here. The revenue forecast has been skyrocketing, which is this is what I wanted to touch up on today. If you see last week, if you see my older videos, I'll say my last two videos, uh, 3 videos ago, you could say this here was less than it was around 3,000 and change. But Bitcoin, this is what I wanted to explain, everyone. Yes, you're mining. Yes, you're mining, and yes, remember, you're putting in a certain amount of money. Now, that certain amount of money is going to be a year contract. Whatever your investments is, it's going to be a year contract, okay? So you want to put as much money as possible that you can afford without breaking your bank. Of course, what you can only put in whatever you can lose, because again, nothing is a guarantee. I want to make sure you guys understand that. But saying that, whatever amount of money you put into the program, you're always going to accumulate even more money if the market rises. And as you can see, it's on a bull run. I mean, Bitcoin is about to break 4,000 very shortly. I mean, I could potentially see it hitting 5,000 before the end of August. It's a possibility, ladies and gentlemen. We've been speaking about this before. I want to say a couple of months ago, there was talk about Bitcoin surpassing 5,000, and then it started to drop. And then everyone got afraid because of the Bitcoin split, BCC and BTC. But lo and behold, Bitcoin held strong. SegWit was approved 38%, excuse me, 80%, past 80% now, and it looks like it's 100% now, give or take. I think before the end of August, you're going to see a lot of changes with the SegWit integration into Bitcoin. That being said, again, do your due diligence, do your homework. But from what I've been reading, it's been really doing really well, and now my income has been climbing. Now I'm making about a little like $5,200 a month. This is what my initial investment. So my money was already there, and this was at almost 4,000. Now it's at 5,000. That's an increase of over $1,000+ in over the time frame. Bitcoin has been rising in value. Phenomenal stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Just think about it every day, 7 days a week, making that kind of money right there. Let's do the math. I mean, there's going to be some fees that they do take out, but come on, it's very minimal. So understand that. If in a week I'm making 1,200, 1208, in a month I'm making almost 5,200. 6 months, that's in 6 months I'm making a full-time income. When I say full-time income, I mean this is again not regulated. This is tax-free, okay? It's not regulated, Bitcoin. This is what people normally take home after taxes when they're working. Because after taxes, they take about 31 to $41,000 take home, 45,000, etc. So you see what I'm saying. Now, if I'm able to make this kind of money within a year, this is a potential, this is revenue forecast. We're not going to say it's going to be on top forever, but if Bitcoin keeps rising in value, what do you think is going to happen to my returns? They're going to continue to rise. This is what I meant when I say, if you keep your money in the bank, let's say you got $10,000 in the bank, you're not going to make as much money leaving it there as you would having it here, because you can see the value is continue to rise. You're making so much more money here than leaving it in the bank, because in the bank your 10,000 is going to be $10,001 by the end of the month. If you put it here, your 10,000 is going to be, I don't know what the math, you got to do the math, but I mean, it's definitely not going to be $10,001. You're going to have a lot of money coming your way. And this is a year contract that I have with these individuals. They send you invoices when you do buy a contract. Again, the contract is for an entire year, which is great. So you can always reinvest whatever you make here as well. So whatever you make with this company, you can reinvest it or on autopilot. So if you come in with a small amount of money, do not withdraw it. You got to click on reinvest it so you can keep compounding it and keep continuing to build even more money. Because I mean, you haven't invested a lot enough to take it all out. If you get what I'm saying, I mean, to make no sense. Now, if you invest like I did, a little over 10 grand, 17,000. Now you're looking at a significant amount of money coming back. So if I'm investing that kind of money and I'm taking this kind of money, how fast do you think I'm going to be in profit? 2 months, I'll be a little over 10 grand. 3 months, if it stays this way, again, if the market stays this way. If the market stays this way, great. If it goes up, even better, because my profit will come in a lot faster. And this is what I'm telling you. If you're thinking about joining, don't think, get in as soon as possible, because your money will increase even more from when your start date was if Bitcoin continues to run the way it's been running, and it's been doing phenomenal. And as you can see, it's heading to 4,000. It's about to break 4,000. It's about to break 5,000. It looks that way. The market is doing really, really well. Let me show you the market now. 38.58. Okay, let me refresh your screen. 38.58, and that was earlier today. Look at, I just refreshed the screen. It's at 39.34. It's going to break 4,000 today, easily before 5 o'clock. It's 1:04 p.m. Eastern time. It's going to break 4,000 before 4 o'clock. I guarantee it. I mean, I can almost guarantee. Nothing is a guarantee. So let me take that back. But you know what I mean. It's the way business, the way Bitcoin is been marketing. It's doing really well. So again, ladies and gentlemen, just wanted to share that with you. Right now, currently in my wallets, I can withdraw this. Let's find out the value. Let's see, because I already did a withdrawal right over here somewhere. I did a withdrawal. I think it was, I couldn't do it this day because that's the day, they shut down 2 days because of the split, because that was August 1st. August 2nd, 3rd, 4th. This is right around when I did my withdrawal, was on the 5th, because the 4th, they had technical difficulties with the website. They did mention it to us that it's possible until the maintenance was done. Maintenance was done on the 4th, so I withdrew on the 5th, so that leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close to 7 days, 6 days, maybe. I withdrew maybe on the 5th, 6th, 7th, possibly. I know it wasn't a full week yet, but I'm going to go take a look at how much I actually have. Where was I? Where's the widget? There's a widget here. Let me, I think it's under tools. Oh, right here, currency converter. I don't know why I'm blind. All right, so I'm going to put the amount. Okay, that's the Bitcoin, and I just click here. Oh, there's a space. I'm going to move that space. There we go. I removed the space. So $995.85 is what I have right now inside of my wallet. Okay. So that means it wasn't a week, because in a week I should have around 1,200. So that means my next payment. So yes, I was right. 6 days. So one more payment, which will be tomorrow, the 13th of August, and I should be around my weekly. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So it should be right around this price here that I will be able to withdraw. All right, so that's what that's telling you there. Ethereum, it's not doing so well. As you can see, it's doing well now. It wasn't then, but it seems like the pickup it's declining, and I do not know why. So I'm trying to figure out why. I'm guessing that there's not too many mining being done with the pools that we have here with ETH. Now, the funny thing is, we only have DP and EP. So if you click on that little uh, knob there, you got Dwarf Pool and Ethereum Pool. Now these people, see, there's only two you can choose from, which I do not like because obviously they're not performing well. So I wish they could change the pools that we have or the companies that are pooling together because it's not doing so well. It was, and now it's not. But I mean, I'm still being paid to Ethereum. I mean, I don't know what this balance is. Let me take a look. I wanted to reinvest, but it's not even allowing me to reinvest. As you can see here, there's no reinvest button for this. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to select Ethereum, and I'm going to put the amount. And that's what I have in there. That's it. So Ethereum's not been doing so well. I wish it was doing better than what it is. But lo and behold, I mean, I do have Ethereum in my Coinbase account. I want to show you the value there so you guys can get a better look at how much Ethereum I own. I'm just holding on to it. I'm a long-term investor as well, so I don't want to sell anything. I want to hold on to it because I want to see the value skyrocket. I think Ethereum is going to hit over $400 as well before the end of the month. Okay, so mark my words, it's 8/12/17. It's 1:08 p.m. Ethereum will hit past $400 the way it's been riding before the end of the month. So let me go ahead and pause the video and show you my Ethereum. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, Ethereum, right now the price is still rising. It's 317.60. This is an hour ago, it went up 15 cents. But if you look at the day, it went up $15. If you look at the week, it's up $58.18. If you look at the month, it's up $118.62. This is very important. So you can see the climb. It's really starting to skyrocket. I mean, it's the potential to hit 400 before the end of the month because it's been climbing really fast. So if you look at a month ago, it was $118. It could have hit another $100 for this month, for another month. You know, if you get the idea. So that means it'll be at 417. So you get the idea. The way it looks, again, if nothing happens crazy, if nothing crazy happens, I could see it past 400. And this is why I purchased and bought Ethereum in June, excuse me. Let me go to my accounts, dashboard. Let me go to, let me just scroll down. Oops, even better. As you can see here, this is my Ethereum that I've been mining with HashFlare. I received my Ethereum here. I sent Ethereum to just a company. I received Ethereum. I bought Ethereum here. And the reason why I did that is because, and I spent about $4,663, as you can see there. I knew it was going to rise. If you look at July 20th, which is over here, I seen the drop. And this is what people with they used to call it bulls. They buy when it's low, and I knew that this low I had to get in. And too bad I didn't get it early enough, but lo and behold, I got in right around. Let's see. See, I bought it less than June. It says July 20th. That's when I received it, but I bought it a week before that. So if it was the 20th here, right around here, 720. I actually bought it a week before that, so that would be right around here. I knew it was $100 and something is when I purchased the actual Ethereum, and then they paid me, sent it to my wallet around here. As you can see, the July 20 date. And I spent $4,663, and as you can see, my value is almost 10 grand now. But I also purchased another 2,000 in August 10th, and the reason why I did that is because I knew that it's going up, and I believe it's going to hit 400 and something. So I want to double my money here. As soon as this doubles, I can then sell off and take my profit and leave the rest in here. And then here, I'll wait another month or so, and when that happens, I'm going to then take my money, my 2 grand out, and leave the rest in there for profit and see how far it can take it. Because it has the potential. I may even leave the money here. I'm not 100% certain, but you know, it it could potentially rise up as far as Bitcoin. And if that's the case, if you look at the value now, Bitcoin's almost at 4,000. Okay. Now I'm not saying Ethereum's ever going to get there. It's a possibility. The way the government and all these other companies are picking up Ethereum and using their blockchain. But if you think about that, right? Let's say 4,000 times 31, because I got 31 of them. That's a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen. That's a lot of money. You see me? That's look at a lot of money. So this is the reason why scared money makes no money. If you're scared to invest, you're scared to put money into a program platform, you need to stop. And you need to wake up, get in here, get your hands dirty, start learning. I mean, whatever company you choose, it's your decision. But as you can see here, by the looks of it, I'm in profit. Okay, just by these two purchases alone. And it's only going to go higher. I say within a week or two, it's going to be past 10,000, and it's going to continue to climb. I mean, that's my prediction. Okay. Right now, I can refresh this page and it'll probably be even higher. I think it just went up even higher actually. Let's see, 1 hour. It went down a little bit, $1.43. The day, but it's still profited for the entire day. So you could see you're still in profit by 1470 for the day. And for the week, ladies and gentlemen, that's a good amount of investment. I mean, that you're making 23.65%. Banks ain't giving you this kind of percentage with your money. No way, no how. In a month, in a year. Look at that. That is some serious percentage rates, ladies and gentlemen. So, anywho, that's it for me today. If you got, by the way, guess who started with Genesis? Yes, I did, ladies and gentlemen. I told you I was going to. I got my first payment. They sent it right straight to my wallet. I didn't have to hit withdraw. They send it automatically to your wallet as soon as you accumulate your earnings. And as you can see, at Bitcoin mining, 810, I received around 50 something dollars. It says 55 USD here. But remember, I'm mining Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin continues to rise, my money is going to continue to rise. And that's the reason why I'm mining Bitcoin ferociously. And that being said, I'm going to also put the links below if you guys ever want to join either one of these to get started. As you can see, they both pay out, which is great. And as well as HashFlare, they also pay out as well, which is great. And I've been withdrawing, and it's been working phenomenal. I mean, I'm making a full-time income and more. This is almost two full-time incomes because if you're looking at 5,000, if you're making 4,000 a month, that's before taxes, and after taxes, it's probably about 2 grand. So if you do 2 grand plus 2 grand is 4 grand, and I'm making 5 grand, 5,200. So you can see that it's been really profitable, and I'm gonna be living comfortably for a little while. You know, hopefully for forever. So that's the goal. I'm gonna keep compounding, continue this rise, and eventually I want this to be at 500,000. That's my goal, to get this at 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, and possibly even a million. I mean, why not? Everybody has dreams. Anything is possible. And these are my plans, and hopefully you guys can take my insight, take my videos, and kind of run off on that and kind of do your own thing and get in here and start dabbling. I mean, I will continue to make videos so you guys can see it. So I will ask if you could subscribe. If you want to join any of these programs, I'm going to put the links in the description. If you have any questions, I do answer back any questions that you may have. If you need a video you want to see that I have not shown you, possibly how to get started, how to put your wallet, let me know. I'll go ahead and create a video so you guys can get that. I know beginners, people that haven't started making money, it may be difficult for them to get started, not knowing what exactly to do. But let me know. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Just an update. I know it's been almost a week, so tomorrow will be a week, and then I'll probably see you guys a week after that, and we'll talk soon. So take care now. Have yourselves a wonderful Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Be cool. Stay focused. Take care now. Bye-bye.